Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Friday and I hope you've all had a great week. Well, today, as you can see, we're going to be starting this one. I'm calling it Goose-tober, just to shorten the whole thing. And we're going to start on this tree like I wanted to do, and the color is 740. And it's kind of a bright, vivid orange. Yeah. Let me pull you down so we can see what is going on. There we go. So, what are we up to? We're at the weekend again already. Seems like it was just Christmas. Holy cow. Yeah. Yesterday turned out to be gray and cloudy and kind of cool, and we had spurts of wind. It was awesome. So I have no idea what today's going to bring. Not at all. Stitched on the basket, and I did some slow stitching for part of the day, and I had to go to the grocery store. And you remember how I said I was going to make tacos? That didn't happen. I ended up making chicken tortilla soup. Yep, because it was gray, cloudy, and cold. Yeah. And soup just sounded good, and the tacos just went completely south. Because, yeah, what can I say? It happens that way sometimes. So I ended up at the grocery store about, about 9 o'clock in the morning. Wanted to get that done and over with. Not a whole bunch of people in town. It was kind of quiet and empty at the grocery store. So I don't know if everybody partied too hardy or just what, but that wasn't me. I went to bed at 1 o'clock. Yeah. I couldn't take any more. So, got a bit accomplished on my on that basket thing. I don't know what to call it. The berry basket, I guess. I don't know. And because I'm still working in the in the leaves up there at the top. So we'll see if we can get another set of leaves done. Leaves, I guess they have berries. I can't remember if they just had leaves or if they had both. But that one on the side had berries, so not real sure if it was symmetrical or not. Talked a little bit with my daughter, but that was about it. I don't know if my son-in-law took this whole week off or just what, but yeah, there she was trying to get some stuff done. I don't know if she got anything done today because it was, like I said, gray and cloudy, and everybody keeps telling me it's going to snow today. I'm like, okay. I look at the weather and it's going to be 45 degrees. So, I don't know who's telling tales out of school or what. But, yeah. Guess we'll just wait and find out. I have no idea what I'm going to be stitching on the rest of the day. I might work on this tree for a bit and see what I can accomplish. I was actually looking for a darker orange, if you will, to start with, but most of them are like up in here, like if you would say like the shadows. So yeah, that didn't work out, because last thing I want to do is work in the middle of a project, because it never goes well for me. I end up rolling up 4 times this amount of material and having to hang on to it. So it's just easier to start on an edge. And I did have a viewer send me a picture. They had a finish. Good job, Gigi. And I will put that right in here. Congratulations on a finish. She said that was her oldest whip. It's just beautiful. And it's on 28 count Lagana. So it was a counted cross stitch. And I think she said she had it for, she's been working off and on it for 20 years. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's quite the feat. I don't know. I try not to think how many years it's going to take me to finish the ladies or Watertown Memory. I just, yeah. Just can't go there. I just try to concentrate on what part I'm stitching on, you know. Oh, geez. Now, if anybody else has any projects they'd like to share, does not have to just be cross stitch. It can be whatever craft you like. So yeah, you can send it to my email address, which is in the description box below. And I will get it into the next stitch with me. This does kind of have a burnt color to it. You know, it's not a true orange. Once you get it stitched, it looks really bright. But after you get it stitched and get a few stitches together, it's kind of got a little black in it, I guess. I don't know if that's what that color is that darkens it down. So it's not nearly as in your face orange. I had red on my brain. Oh, geez. So we'll see. But I wanted to start with the trees, because they look like they're fairly simple to stitch. So we'll see how much I can get done by next Tuesday. Don't hold your breath, though, because something else might come along. You know, that's how that works in my world. It's like I work on them for like 2 weeks solid, and then something else comes by, and I really like that one, so yeah. Put that needle away. Got my, oops, I lost them. Hang on. My little bear today. I don't have any geese, I don't think. I have geese cross stitch, but I don't have any. Seriously. Any geese needle minders. I haven't seen any. Or you know I'd have them. They got rabbits, you know. From here to Kingdom Come, but no geese. Oh, seriously. I've been doing slow stitching so long, I put a knot in that. I don't care what the back looks like, you know, on those. So, oh, that's just awesome. Yep, and, yep, oh my goodness. Am I getting too old to do this, or what? I can still see, so I can still cross stitch. Seriously? Now it's debatable. Come on. I just pull that tail down underneath and it gets stitched over by the rest of the stitches that are going to go in there. So I don't ever have to worry about it unraveling. Can't get over how thick this canvas is. Holy cow. It reminds me of Autumn House. It's just that thick. I swear that material was 1/8 of an inch thick. But it'll make it nice and sturdy, so I'm not complaining. And it broke down real well, so I know that after I've stitched on it for 3 or 4 times that it'll be just fine. So anybody going anywhere this weekend, doing anything fun and exciting for the new year? I know I'm not going anywhere if I don't have to. I mean, I have to go to the store to get the cat food stuff, you know, because it's payday. So, got to fill up the cat food, and cat litter, you know, exciting stuff. I know. Somewhere in there, hopefully, before it snows, take the trash out. Last week it was the wind. The wind wouldn't stop long enough for me to go out there and take the trash. Because once I get there, I have to lift that plastic lid. And it's pretty heavy, and when the wind's blowing against you, it's not good. You know, my shoulder says, I don't think so, little girl. I may or may not go to the thrift store this weekend, or the Restore, which is a Habitat for Humanity store. Sometimes I find things there, sometimes not so much. Not nearly as much as what I usually find at the thrift store, so haven't been there in a couple weeks because they were closed during Christmas, and yeah. So I don't know. I'm sure they were probably closed yesterday, so I don't know if they'll be closed the rest of the week or maybe until Saturday. I got nothing. I don't know what their schedule is anymore. Because they moved from one place they'd been for, gosh, I think probably 25 years. Yeah, and they got a new store and new people, of course, running it and at the thrift store, so I don't know what their hours are, if they have to have certain hours because of, it's like a, I don't know, nonprofit, I don't know. I don't know what it is, really. So yeah, not up on their hours. We just show up, you know, after 10 o'clock, and they're usually open. So it may or may not happen. Feels like if I want to mess with it or not. But I do have to go to the store again and get all the things, which shouldn't be too much. Because yesterday I just ran in and got the stuff for the chicken tortilla soup. And came out, I wasn't in there for a long period of time. It wasn't that kind of a shopping trip. Just did not feel like it. Just get that there. Now let me turn it around. So I don't remember what color that yellow is. I think it was probably another shade of orange. I don't know that it was yellow, but we'll see. So we'll work in that section right there and get that done. And this same color continues all the way up through the top of that. So who knows? We'll see. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.